In this video, we will tackle how to add Canva designs to your marketing emails in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to create a new marketing email. Just need to click on marketing right here, and from in there, click on email. So for this case, we just need to create an email, and then from in there, add the Canva from here. So on our case, you can edit an existing email or also create a new one. You can start from scratch or you likes. I'll just edit right here this email that I already have. And here's my email editor. What we need to do is we just need to add right here an image block. You can find it right here under the default modules. Then drag and drop image wherever you want to add it. I will add it right here into this part. So in here you can see the content directly from here. So you can either upload an image, browse, or add right here a link, which is optional for personalizing it. So on our case, let's head over to Canva. Here's my image for the actual content. Click on share, click on download. Then we need to save it as a PNG or JPG. On my case, I'll just download the first one and click on download right here. Once you have downloaded it, head over here to your HubSpot, click on this upload and upload the image from there. So although there is no actual integration with it, you can just upload the image that you have exported from Canva in order to add it directly from here. As you can see, the one that we have on Canva, which is this Fade Now or Fade Glow sale, will be added right here into our image. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.